The giant freshwater prawn is one of the largest freshwater shrimp species, belonging to the family Palamonidae, commonly known as the giant river prawn. The giant river prawn has a long, hard outer shell, usually blue or brown in color. Its most distinctive feature is its large claws, especially in males, which are used for defense and hunting. The claws of males are often long and brightly blue, while females have smaller claws. In terms of life cycle, freshwater prawns mainly reproduce sexually, with the reproductive process taking place in brackish water. Eggs are fertilized and hatch into larvae. After several developmental stages, the larvae migrate into freshwater environments to mature. The lifespan of freshwater prawns typically ranges from 2 to 4 years, depending on living conditions. They are widely distributed across Asia, mainly in large rivers such as the Bengal River, the Ganges River, as well as river systems in India, Bangladesh, and Thailand. They commonly inhabit freshwater environments like rivers, lakes, and swamps, but can also live in brackish waters where fresh and salt water mix. Freshwater prawns prefer slow-flowing waters with abundant aquatic vegetation. These areas provide a rich food source such as algae, insects, and other small organisms. Freshwater prawns are among the most important shrimp species in aquaculture in many countries, contributing significantly to local economic income. Thanks to their mildly sweet flavor, tender meat, and high nutritional value, freshwater prawns are highly favored in cuisine, serving as the main ingredient in many traditional and modern dishes, from steaming and grilling to hot pots and salads. The dragon-style prawn trap is a simple yet effective shrimp-catching tool, usually made from iron or stainless steel frames, covered with plastic or metal mesh on the outside, forming an enclosed space that still allows water to flow through. The trap has one or more funnel-shaped entrances, allowing freshwater prawns to swim in, but making it difficult for them to escape. The operating principle of the dragon-style prawn trap is based on the natural behavior of freshwater prawns. They move in search of food, and bait is placed inside the cage to attract them. Due to the design of the entrance, the prawns cannot find their way out and become trapped. For effective prawn catching, it is necessary to select the natural habitat of freshwater prawns, usually areas near the shore with many aquatic plants or underwater grass, or near river mouths, swamps, or small river branches. The best time to catch freshwater prawns is usually at night or early morning, when prawns are most active. Traps are typically placed underwater for 4 to 6 hours before being checked and harvested. The bait used in dragon-style traps is usually the favorite food of freshwater prawns, such as small fish, animal carcasses, or even processed feed. The bait should be placed at the center of the trap to attract the prawns to swim deep inside. The dragon-style prawn trap can catch a large number of freshwater prawns in one placement, especially when set in the right location. The dragon-style prawn trap is simple to construct, has a long lifespan, requires no complicated techniques or equipment, and is environmentally friendly. This method causes minimal harm to aquatic ecosystems and does not affect other aquatic species. However, prawns must be checked and harvested from the trap periodically, making it unsuitable for large-scale fishing activities that require minimal labor. The effectiveness of prawn trapping depends on natural conditions, weather, water quality, and transportation convenience. Vietnam, Thailand, and India are leading countries in freshwater prawn production and export, with products exported to many countries worldwide, particularly European nations, the United States, and Japan. Markets with high demand for premium seafood. The demand for freshwater prawns is increasing, especially in high-income markets. Products made from freshwater prawns, such as frozen prawns, processed prawns, and freshwater prawn dishes, are becoming increasingly popular in international markets. Freshwater prawn prices fluctuate depending on season, size, and quality. Typically, large-sized fresh prawns fetch higher prices at restaurants and premium markets. Factors affecting the price include the season, climatic conditions, production costs, and market demand, which are the main drivers of freshwater prawn prices. Maintaining product quality and ensuring a stable production process are essential for price stability. Weather fluctuations, environmental pollution, and overfishing can affect the supply of freshwater prawns, leading to price and quality volatility. Food safety regulations and quality requirements from importing markets such as the EU and the US present challenges for producers and exporters. The growing demand for high-quality seafood products presents a significant opportunity for the development of the freshwater prawn industry. Developing new products and expanding access to international markets can increase industry scale and enhance economic value. The freshwater prawn industry provides an important source of income for people in rural areas, with freshwater prawn farming and catching being traditional livelihoods. The industry generates numerous employment opportunities, from farming and harvesting to processing and trading, playing a vital role in local economic development. Freshwater prawn farming brings high profits to farmers, especially when modern farming methods are applied in combination with environmental protection and good water management practices. Wild-caught freshwater prawns also provide a significant source of income, particularly in areas with rich and unpolluted freshwater ecosystems. The freshwater prawn industry contributes to sustainable economic development in rural areas, improving quality of life and reducing poverty. Technology transfer, combining advanced aquaculture techniques with traditional knowledge, helps improve productivity and prawn quality while protecting the environment. Freshwater prawns are a high-quality source of protein, essential for muscle development, bodily functions, and maintaining the immune system. They are rich in vitamins such as B12 and vitamin D, and minerals like zinc and iodine, which support overall health. Freshwater prawns also provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. The calcium and vitamin D in freshwater prawns help strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. Antioxidants like zinc and vitamin E help protect the body from free radical damage and enhance the immune system. Regarding the reproductive period, female freshwater prawns lay eggs after mating, typically carrying the eggs under their abdomen for 2 to 3 weeks before hatching. A female can carry thousands of eggs, depending on her size and age. In brackish water, the larvae develop and undergo several metamorphic stages before maturing and migrating to freshwater. Reproductive success is influenced by factors such as water temperature, salinity, and quality. Clean water with stable temperatures ranging from 25 to 30 degrees provides ideal conditions for freshwater prawn reproduction. In the food chain of freshwater ecosystems, freshwater prawns play a vital role, serving as food for many species of fish and other aquatic animals. Conversely, they are also predators, feeding on algae, small insects, and organic debris, helping maintain ecological balance. The presence of freshwater prawns can influence ecosystem structure, particularly in the waters where they live. Overharvesting or the disappearance of freshwater prawns can lead to ecological imbalance and affect regional biodiversity. The most common prawn trap is the long cylindrical trap, with 1 or 2 entry points. Cylindrical traps are widely used due to their simple design and effectiveness in catching freshwater prawns. The square box trap is cube-shaped, covered with mesh on all 4 sides, with entry points located on the top or side. These traps are typically used in deep waters with abundant vegetation. The rotary trap has a more complex structure, featuring a rotating entry mechanism that allows prawns to enter easily but makes escape difficult. Rotary traps are often used in fast-flowing waters. Prawn traps are usually made from stainless steel, and the netting may be nylon or galvanized steel to ensure durability and water resistance. The trap-making process includes cutting materials, assembling components, and securing the mesh. The trap's entrance is designed with an anti-escape mechanism to ensure prawns cannot exit. Prawn traps should be cleaned and inspected regularly to avoid damage. When not in use, traps should be stored in a dry place away from direct sunlight to prolong the lifespan of the net and other materials. Today, sensors can be attached to prawn traps to monitor activity and send signals when prawns enter or the trap is full. This technology improves catch efficiency and reduces the labor required to check traps. Before export or market sale, freshwater prawns must be inspected for freshness. Signs of fresh prawns include vibrant color, firm shells, and strong response when touched. During farming or storage, there may be residual chemicals such as antibiotics or preservatives. These residues must be tested to ensure food safety and compliance with import market regulations. Freshwater prawns must be packaged according to international standards to ensure hygiene and maintain quality during transportation. Packaging must be sturdy, otherwise, it could seriously affect the effectiveness of prawn traps. Prawn catch efficiency is higher during the freshwater prawn breeding season, typically in the rainy season, when prawns are more active and easier to catch. Stable weather conditions, not too cold or too hot, increase prawn activity, thereby improving trap efficiency. Traps must be well maintained and free of tears to ensure that prawns cannot escape. After harvesting, freshwater prawns must be cleaned and processed immediately to retain freshness. Prawns can be rinsed with water, refrigerated, or frozen. Freshwater prawns are typically stored at temperatures between 0 to 4 to stay fresh, or frozen at 18 degrees for long-term storage. The chilling process helps preserve product quality and ensures the prawns do not spoil before reaching consumers. After processing, freshwater prawns are usually packaged in mesh bags or sealed plastic boxes to ensure hygiene. Freshwater prawn exporters often collaborate with major distributors in consumer markets such as Europe, the United States, and Japan. These partnerships help ensure stable output and expand production scale. Developing a national brand for freshwater prawns helps increase the product's value in international markets. A strong brand not only reflects quality, but also builds consumer trust. In addition to exporting fresh prawns, it is necessary to develop processed products such as frozen prawns, seasoned prawns, or ready-made freshwater prawn dishes to reach more market segments. Building a sustainable supply chain, from farming, harvesting, and processing to distribution, is essential to meet the growing market demand. Integrated aquaculture, combining freshwater prawn farming with other aquatic species like fish and crabs, helps optimize farming space and water resource usage. This model not only increases productivity, but also contributes to ecosystem balance. Organic prawn farming, without using chemicals or antibiotics, produces high-quality products that meet the demands of strict markets such as the EU and the US. The freshwater prawn industry contributes positively to the development of rural communities, not only creating jobs, but also improving infrastructure and the quality of life for residents. Developing freshwater prawn farming and trade is an effective solution for poverty reduction in many rural areas, especially in developing countries. Many localities have implemented support policies for freshwater prawn farming, such as providing preferential loans, supplying high-quality prawn breeds, and offering technical support for farmers. International organizations often carry out projects to support the sustainable development of the freshwater prawn industry, including improving farming conditions, protecting the environment, and ensuring livelihoods for local people. Freshwater prawns are a high-quality, low-calorie protein source, making them ideal for weight loss diets. The protein in freshwater prawns helps maintain muscle and provides a long-lasting feeling of fullness. Finally, don't forget to like, share, and follow. See you in the next video.